Welcome to this tutorial on the loadjob command in Splunk. The loadjob command is a powerful SPL command that allows you to load and reuse results from previously executed search jobs. This command is essential for optimizing performance and avoiding redundant searches in Splunk. The loadjob command enables you to retrieve and reuse results from search jobs that have already been executed. This provides two key benefits: performance optimization by avoiding re-execution of expensive searches, and result reusability, which allows you to work with the same dataset multiple times without running the search again. The basic syntax for the loadjob command is simple. You start with a pipe symbol, followed by the word loadjob, and then specify the search job ID in angle brackets. The search job ID is a unique identifier that Splunk assigns to every search job when it is executed. To use the loadjob command, you first need to find the job ID of a previously executed search. You can access job history through Splunk's activity menu, then Jobs section. Alternatively, you can use the rest command to query the search jobs service, filter for completed jobs with dispatch state equal to done, and display the session ID and updated time in a table format. Here's a basic example of using the loadjob command. You pipe to loadjob followed by a specific job ID, in this case 123456789.12345. This command will load all results from the specified job ID, making them available for further analysis. One of the powerful features of loadjob is that you can chain additional commands to analyze the loaded results. In this example, we load a job using loadjob, then pipe the results to a stats command to count occurrences by host, and finally sort the results in descending order by count. This demonstrates how you can perform new analysis on previously searched data. The loadjob command has several common use cases. For report generation, you can reuse expensive search results across multiple dashboard panels, avoiding the need to rerun the same search multiple times. For analysis comparison, you can load historical search results and compare them against current data to identify trends and changes over time. Here are the key points to remember about the loadjob command. First, it improves performance significantly by reusing cached results instead of re-executing searches. Second, keep in mind that jobs have expiration times based on your Splunk retention settings, so older job results may no longer be available. Finally, loadjob can be chained with other SPL commands, allowing you to perform additional analysis and transformations on the loaded data. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.